Yeah, so I've been really excited to try these out. These are made for the Meta AI glasses. They are different lenses, and I got the pair that are more like a blackout lens, so that way I can use these and actually be outside and have it, protect my eyes and be, just solid black. So I haven't opened this up yet. We'll take a look and see what's inside. Nope. This looks like you got a little carrying case. And the lenses themselves. So let's look at the instructions first. So these are waterproof, oil and smudge resistant, which is fantastic. Impact resistant. Okay, let's open these up. Okay, inside you have the lens itself, and I like how reflective it is. Okay, here we go. As you can see, it's going to fit it perfectly. It's just the right size. So now what they recommend is pushing up towards that way, and this part will lift right here on the bottom. Yep, you can see it start to wiggle. Here we go. Pops right out. Same thing. Okay. Now for this, we'll just go in the opposite direction. Okay, and it's in. Now let's do the next one. Do the same thing from the outside. Start to push it in. Okay, it's in there. I don't know about you, but I love these. Definitely help block out. They're nice and black. They're reflective. Yeah, I'm digging them. So I would definitely recommend you check these out.